everyone, right now I am in front of a company that called Aluminium Luminaires. So from their window, I am guessing that they are making the modern household lighting. I'm not sure if I am right, so now let's go in and find out more. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Kathy. May I have your name?
My name is Tim.
Hello, Tim. Nice
Hello,
to meet you. Please
Kathy.
say hello to our camera.
Hello.
Okay, so Tim, would you please introduce a little bit about your company?
It's okay. Our company has found about 20 years.
Oh, 20 years.
Yes.
Okay.
We have so many countries about, for example, Germany, UK, and Australia.
Oh. So basically, your products are mainly sold to Europe and Australia.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So I'm guessing you are specialized in the modern residential lighting, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I can't wait to see more of your products. Okay. Would you like to introduce some of the products?
Okay.
Okay.
Our products are made of aluminum material.
Oh, it's made of aluminum material.
Yeah.
Okay.
All type, for example, the wall lamp, pendant lamp.
Okay, now
and,
let's get
table
closer
lamp.
and look.
Yes.
Okay, now I can tell. Wow, this design is very special.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell us what is the material of it? Aluminum?
Aluminum. Yeah,
okay.
and touch the.
Oh
the
wow,
light
it's touch control.
Touch control the light.
This is turn off, and when I turn it on.
Turn
So
on.
all I have to is just pat it. I don't have to pat on a switch or something, right? No.
Like no.
Just like that.
Yes.
Okay, I am wondering is the bulb, it can be changed? Like I know this is warm.
Oh, only the one.
Yeah.
Only the one.
Oh, only one color.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think it's good. And also, we can also make it into floor lamp, right?
Yes.
Is it the same?
The same. To be behind.
Oh, wow, the
Yeah.
color is really beautiful. Okay, so this is the only light source, or it can be changed?
Yeah, only one.
Only one.
Only one.
Okay. Wow, now I can turn it off.
Yeah.
And furthermore, what else? What else?
And we can see the volume.
Oh, the wall light. Now let's take a look.
The
at
volume
wall light.
we have sold more than 30 years.
Wow, this
13
product
years.
you have been made for 30 years.
13 years.
13 years, sorry.
Yeah.
13 years.
Yeah.
Okay, what's good about that? Now we can get closer.
It's just one. It's just one lamp.
One watt lamp.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's made of the aluminum. Yeah.
Okay. Can the color, the finished color, can be changed?
We can change
Into
to be
white.
the white and the black.
Black,
And
white, and gray.
Gray. Yeah.
Okay, the three colors.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I really like this kind of light. It's very good looking and beautiful.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I think it's perfect for putting at home, right? Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. And what else?
We can see the pendant lamp.
Wow.
There
This is
is
really.
the hot cell now.
Be careful. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Wow. It's just like all kinds of light are spreading together. Wow.
It's just only the 3,000 watt lamp.
Okay. Wow. Can the light source be changed? Is this warm now? Can I change
Just
the...
warm.
Just warm.
Yeah.
Okay, I cannot change the color temperature.
We all the products is only the warm lamp.
Wall color. It's
Yeah.
like 3000 K.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I can see the series is just more than one. We can also make it a smaller one. Smaller.
Yeah, smaller one and 5.
Oh, this is different color.
This one, yeah.
It's
the
black and
one.
that one is white. I really like the white one. It looks very elegant.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it a lot. And if we're going to if our dining room is small, our dining room is small, I think we can make this one.
Yeah.
Right? Small one. And what about that? Should I put it in the living room?
In the living room, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's
It's
suitable.
a big living room or small living room. We can use the 5 plane.
Okay, yeah, this is the. Oh, are they the same? Oh, this is the
5 arms.
last arm.
It's just 5 arms.
Yeah.
That is 8 arms.
Oh, okay, I tell. And if we're going to make it as a ceiling lamp, we can also make like that, right? This is ceiling one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's perfect for the bedroom, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I really like your design too. The design is very good.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, and I think most of the young people nowadays,
Young people or old people also like this.
They prefer some simple design, but with some sense of, yeah, I think it's really good. So, after the visiting at Tim's shop, I think Tim is really professional in making the household or residential lighting. You can find all kinds of light for your house, especially like from your living room to your kitchen to your bathroom to your bedroom and so on. You can always find a good one right here. And remember, this is Aluminium Luminaires MFG Limited. Okay, if you like our video, if you are interested in this company, please scan the QR code at the end of the video and we're going to have a personal advisor for you. And if you like our program, please give us a like and leave your comment below. And remember, this is Aluminium Luminaires. And once again, thank you, Tim.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, stay tuned. Bye-bye.